Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Headspace, how to download sessions. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Headspace app and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then find the course or single session you want to download. You can tap on the explore on the bottom and then select your course. Let me tap on meditate, then browse courses, single meditation or sleep casts. Then tap on the session or course to open it, then look for the download icon. You'll be seeing download all sessions right here. Now all you gotta do is tap on it to download it. Keep in mind that you'll need to have the Headspace subscription in order to download it, and then once downloaded, head over to your home page and then tap on your profile icon, and here scroll down and you'll find the downloaded sessions in your library. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon in the next one.